Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me muhammadtheprogrammer. Welcome back to my channel. So last time we had started the 77th file here, which is the day 29, but today is day 20, today is day 30. So that's why we are just going to copy this file from here and we will paste it in the day 30 to start our new video with that. Okay, all right, so we have started the 3 years machine learning challenge and today is our day 30. So uh, actually we have started the challenge with the Python tutorials, and so far we have done the Python to the Python pip module, and right now we have in the last video we have done the half of the try and accept chapter from the Python module in the W3 Schools website. So today we are going to complete it from here, that raise an exception. The previous code you can see in the video that I have uploaded yesterday, and today we are going to study uh, from here. Okay, here I am uploading all my code. You can use my code or compare with your, or if you do not want to do anything, but just come here and just give a star to me here. Okay, all right, let me give it a star by myself also. Okay, so let's start the video. Today is our day 30 and I'm going to make a new file as 78, even though it is the same file, but again we can't do anything, right? Try accept underscore python write dot UI. So here I am just going to paste all the code that I have just copied. This is what we wrote in the last video. So far we have done the code to this point, and let's make it as a comment. Sorry, let's make it a comment and then let's continue coding. Okay, so here is an exception. As a Python developer, you can choose to throw an exception if a condition occurs. If a condition occurs, we can throw an exception by ourselves. It means that there will be no error, but we will make it as an error for the user. How? Like to throw or raise an exception, use the raise keyword. We will use the raise keyword to raise an exception, to raise an error. Okay, raise an error and stop the program if x is lower than 0. So let's say I want the age of a user is equals to anything that the user want to put here, right? Let's say he put here as minus 17, which is not possible because the age cannot be in negative. And then I print the age, his age. So what it will print here is that minus 17, right? Here in the terminal you can see that it's printing minus 17. Let's make it a little more clear for you, so that I am writing here that f string inside it. This f string, we will study about the strings, type of strings in the string formatting maybe in the next video, but for today just let's complete this tutorial. So the your age is, let's I write that your age is age. When I run it, here you can see that your age is minus 17, which is not possible. That's why we should, like, as a programmer, we know that it is not possible and the user can put it here. That's why we will try to raise an error for that, even though in the Python it is not an error, but we will make it as an error. Okay, so how we can do that? We will put a condition here that if age is less than 0, then do what? Then raise. Okay, then we will use the raise this keyword, and then we will write that exception, and then sorry, no numbers below 0. Okay, I will write here that exception exception this is here. Okay, then inside it I'm going to write that sorry, age can't be less than 0. Okay, and let's say if the age is not less than 0, then we will say that print the age. Okay, so and here we should use the input keyword so that it would be more easy for you. Let's I run it. Here it is asking me the age. I will put the age here. Let's say I am putting -9. Okay, this time run it and it is giving me an error. What error? That is not supported, less than 0. Command age less than 0, not supported between instance and string. Okay, it is a string basically, so let's convert it into an integer. Then clear this terminal again, then execute, run it again, and here I am going to put -9 here again, and here you can see that exception sorry, age can't be less than 0. This is what the error, if it was an error inside the Python it would not be like this, but this is the error raised by me. Okay, but let's say if the user is putting the correct age, let's say 1 or 2, it means 12, so it is printing the 12. Okay, this is how the exception will work. So the raise keyword is used to raise an exception. You can define what kind of error to raise. We can define the type of error we want. Okay, and text to print to the user, and we can also write our own code we want to write here. So x equals to hello. If not type of x is int, it means that if the value, the data inside the x is not integer, then raise an error, type error and write that only integers are allowed. This by using these things we can raise different type of exceptions or errors. In a try except block there is a certain block that is specified, that if specified will be executed regardless if the try block. Okay, it means that finally is the keyword, the certain word, I guess, right? Next question. So here fill the missing code in this try and except example. Here we will try this print x or except this. Okay, I have to use this, sorry for that. Okay, try this except this. Okay, submit this and correct answer. Next question. So fill in the missing code in this try except example. The last code block should be executed if there are no errors. If there are no errors, the last code should be executed. Okay, so here I will put the except here, except, and of course use this, and then when there is no error here, then we use a else here. Okay, not the finally. If there is an error, then we have to use here the finally keyword so that regardless of the try it will execute. So that was about the try and except in Python module from the W3 Schools website, which we have completed finally. Hope so you like the video, even though the video is too short, but yeah, actually I am right now have some more duties, so that's why I do not have that much time to learn it right now in for 1 hour, but I am doing it for 30 minutes at least. Okay, so hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, like the video, and wait for the next video. Allah Hafiz.